Hi guys, this is Divanshu, and in this tutorial we'll be scraping Google News using the Google Sheets add-on of Scrapingdog. The add-on allows non-developers to scrape Google News at scale. To use this add-on, simply go to your Google Sheets, then extension, add-ons, get add-on, type in Scrapingdog here and install this add-on. Once installed, you will see the Scrapingdog icon over on your side panel. Click it and go to Google News Scraper. To use this, you need API key. So to get your API key, you have to sign up for Scrapingdog. You get 1000 free credits. In the search query, write your keyword for here. The country code. If you want to look for US, India, UK or any other country, you can type it here. It is an optional parameter, and the number of pages you want to scrape. You can select it from here and then click start scraping. Once you click start scraping, you can see that your Google Sheet will get populated with all the details. The data points you get are title, source, published at, snippet and URL. So this way you can scrape Google News easily without having any technical knowledge or using any no-code tool. Simply download the extension in Google Sheet and use this scraper. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.